Hello, Music 265. We are going to now practice going back and forth from C, which is red, to G6, which are the two green stickers that share the same fret, and back to C. What's going to make this unusual and different from what we have done before is we're going to strum down for C, up for G, and back down for C, and then we're going to rest. So it's going to go. Now you notice I'm holding my finger almost like I'm pinching a coin or a guitar pick between my finger and my thumb. Now it's important for you to know a ukulele has nylon strings. You don't want to use a plastic guitar pick on a ukulele. But if you have a stiff felt guitar pick, you can use that. Or you can just hold an imaginary pick and you'll get the same sort of effect. So this again is red, green, red, down, up, down. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong. And now I'm going to do a Row Your Boat. Remember when we played Row Your Boat in the key of F, it was either very high or very low. Now that it's in the key of C, it'll be much easier for you to sing. So this is Row Your Boat. Again, I'm going red, green, red, down, up, down. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream.